Got a Wheelock LS1M single gang remote strobe. It's the single gang version of the LS1M Strobe. Yeah, and I got it with my 279B pulse station. Yes, that's my keychain right there. The reason the 279B pulse station is open because I think I wired this to the strobe wrong. Because there's no need for this, and because when I tried this out, I touched this point right here to this end of the wire, and it will cause the strobe to flash. Yeah, it's 1575 candela. I'm just gonna test it out real quick. Just let me move on an angle because I'm gonna be blinded. I know it's not bright, but it is quite intense. And do not watch if you have epilepsy. Yeah, do not watch this video if you have epilepsy from strobes, flashing objects. So here we go. There is no need to use for this. Yeah, all it was just to see. You might hear something. As you can see, you can probably hear the strobe charging up, and you can hear some tweeting noises. Okay, that's enough. And there you go. That's